Subscribers of ICT Raj Solutions, we thank you for the work you're doing and thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos. So today we are still continuing with our Excel lessons. So today's lesson we are going to see how to number. Let's say I have my workers and I want to number them using my company code number in Excel. Then we are going to see how do I calculate their their allowances via professional, via housing, from their gross salary. So we are going to see how do we go about this. So let's say these are they are professionals, these are gross salary. So we're supposed to calculate their housing allowance, then we calculate professional allowance, we number them, we even calculate total allowances. And we need that total allowances in Ugandan shillings. So let's start. So we are starting with housing allowance. We shall say equals, it means 12%. You can say percent, you can say over 100, then times our money here, then we press OK. Then we come and drag this. That gives us the professional housing allowance. Then here we say equals 8 over 100 times their gross salary. Press OK. Then we come and drag. Total allowance, we shall press equals, then we say sum this, comma, this, comma, and this. Then you press OK. Then it gives us our answer, then we drag. That is our total allowance. But they want this total allowance in Ugandan shillings. We format our cell, then we click currency. Now after clicking currency, for us we need hours as UGX. Then we press, we need it in, if we want it in red, we just press this one in red. If you want in black, you put the other in black. Then it has changed it to Ugandan currency. Now, what about numbering? So with numbering, we shall highlight where we want to number. and we want this numbering to be formatted. And when you put something, the system tells you that it is wrong and it cannot enter. So after highlighting, we come here to data. We validate that part we have underlined. You come to validation, then you press validation. Then on validation, it is saying allow. Huh? So we need to show our company digit plus our company digit plus the numbers of these people. So we shall click here. So if we say allow any number, it means any figure you put there will enter. But remember, we want to number using only figures plus the letter. We shall see how where do we put the letters from. So we shall come and say allow whole what? Allow whole numbers. Now, between which number and which number? So for us, we are going to say allow a number from 001, okay, to 100 to 200, okay, 0 there will be 200. So those are the numbers it is going to accept. So if you go above 200, it will tell it doesn't know that number. Now, input message. This input message, if I put input message here, it means when you just point the cursor, it will tell you that we need this here. It is like directing you what to do. So if I write here anything, it will be directing me. That message will come on top when the cursor reaches on that cell. But I'm not going to include there. If you want, you can include it there. Then error alert. So if you press the wrong figure, if it is below than 001, if it is above 200, which message, I have to put a message which it shall display. So I will just say, I want to warn you. Okay? Then warning message. I may say, entered is wrong. Entered is wrong. Okay? Then I press OK. Then, now you can enter those figures. But we need these letters, these whole numbers to start with a letter of the company. So I will again right click, then I go for, I pick format cell. Now, on format cell, I will customize my cell. So after customizing my cell, I remove it from Geno, then I come here on top, I remove this 0, I press, let's say my company starts with K, okay? So if it starts with K, then I put my figures. Remember we said 200 figures, 100 figures, that is 3 zeros. So 2 zeros. So I will say 0, 0, 0. Well, we are together. So these are 3 zeros, okay? Then I'll come and press OK. So meaning, now in my figures, I'll just, if I want any letter now, if I type 1, it will bring like that. Okay? If I type 2, I can write it there. I can say K002. It is not going to accept because it is seeing K. Okay? But if I type 2, okay, it will include our company what? Company letter behind. So from here, I don't need to retype all the one. I will come and drag. I'll come and drag. So it will put my letters, my numbers there. If I type like 250, okay? Okay, immediately it will tell me that there is an error because we said this numbering of words should stop at 200. So it is even telling us here that entered is wrong, okay? So it means that when you put a figure which is not in line with what you formatted, it will not enter. It will give you a message that it is formatted. It is not formatted. If I can add what I was telling you, that I want the text on in front, telling me what I should type there. So here in my input message, I will say type numbers from 1 to 200. My title may say put like that. So when I press OK, you see my text has come. So whenever I come and click, it will just say input, type numbers from 1 to 200. I think you can see. So that's how we number and we format our cells. So thank you for watching. I think people who are following me are now picking or learning computer. Try to make notes, revise, continue using it, because digital way, computer you have to always practice. Thank you very much. We meet in the next video. Share these videos, like and subscribe. Because the more you subscribe, the more you will see my videos. Thank you very much.